Hello friends, PPF Act of 1968 has been amended to PPF Act 2019 on 12th December 2019. Most of the provisions remain same except for three major changes which will affect us. The three changes relate to, first is loan. In earlier cases, the loan was provided to us at 2% above the PPF rate. Now that rate has been brought down to 1% of the PPF rate. You can avail of 25% of the balance after completion of first year of your PPF account. After one financial year, we will get 25% of the loan, which has to be repaid in 36 installments or maximum in 36 months along with interest. If interest is not paid and you pay only the capital, interest will be charged to your PPF account. Secondly, regarding premature closure, earlier only in case of death premature closure was allowed. Now they have relaxed premature closure in case of death, higher education, critical illness, migration out of India, provided you produce the relevant documents to them for their satisfaction. Premature will be allowed. In case of partial withdrawal, in the earlier case, after first 7 years, only 50% of the balance of fourth year was given to us. Now it has been amended that after 5 financial years, anytime whenever you withdraw, you will be able to get 50% of the balance of the preceding year, which is a very good provision, because earlier we were getting only hardly 25% of the balance at any given point of time. Now we can get 50% of the balance immediately of the preceding year. These are the few changes which will affect us, which are in our interest.